Hi friends, today I am going to talk about scholarship provided exclusively for girl students in technical education, especially engineering and polytechnic, that's diploma courses. This scholarship is announced by AICTE, All India Council for Technical Education, and named as Pragati Scholarship for Girls. The amount is 50,000 per annum, and if you are going to study in an engineering college, you will get 50,000 for each year for all the 4 years, and if you are in a diploma course, you will be getting 50,000 for 3 years, each year 50,000, and you can utilize this amount to buy a computer or a software, books, stationaries, or you can pay your college fee. The interesting part is you don't have to produce or attach any documents to support this. You will be automatically credited with 50,000 rupees in your direct personal account. It will not be routed through your college or anything. That's a major advantage in this scheme. Nationally, there are more than 5,000 scholarships. 5,000 girls will get this actually. Okay, fine. What are the eligibilities? This will be given to a maximum of 2 girl childs in a family. Up to a maximum of 2 girl childs can avail this scholarship, and your family income from all sources should not exceed 8 lakhs rupees within that financial year. You need to produce a income certificate to support this claim. This is the basis. Okay. Now you may ask a question, if large number of people apply for this, how do they decide? The next thing is immediately will be your marks. Your marks will be a criteria for selection. If you are in engineering, your +2 marks will be counted, and if you are in diploma, your 10th standard marks will be taken care. How to apply for this? This announcement will appear in AICTE website. Subsequently, you need to apply in the National Scholarship Portal. You must be aware there is a National Scholarship Portal where information about all the scholarships in our country are available in it, and most of the scholarships you have to apply through that portal. I will give you the portal address also, www.scholarships.gov.in. I will repeat, www.scholarships.gov.in. This is the portal where you need to apply for this scheme. Once you apply, your institution will verify all the documents. Subsequently, the Director of Technical Education of that particular state will verify, and finally you will get the amount. I think the girls should make advantage of this, and most of the deserving girls, please apply immediately. I will add on with one more scholarship by AICTE called Saksham. This is meant for disabled persons, and all the terms and conditions whatever I explained for the girls Pragati scholarship is applicable to this, except for only one additional factor. The disability factor should be more than 40%. That is the only underlying factor. Other than that, eligibility, amount, everything will be same as Pragati only. Students, please avail this and pass on this information to your friends also, and please pass on this, share this video to your other friends so that they can also get benefited, and subscribe to our ECWIN channel. All the best. Thank you.